to our Friday celebration assembly at Newlands Primary School. I'm really excited that you're all here today to share in this celebration. We've had a very good week, and I'm very pleased to see how the children are getting on with their schoolwork. However, the weather hasn't cooperated very much. I think we should have had the theme song this week being "Rain, rain, go away, come back some other day." But I do believe that all of you have done very well, even though it's rained. You've been really flexible, and I'm really proud of you for that. That is one way that you've showed us how brave you have been. Now, a celebration assembly, as we said, is not a celebration without some awards. And we'll start out, as always, with our Going for Gold awards. Going for Gold. In Lee's class, we have Esme for her super robot that she made for min pins to help put out the fire. In York, we have Lillian and Ruby for fantastic name writing. Now in Hull, we have Samuel for using his signing skills in British Sign Language. Fantastic, Samuel. Good boy. We also have in Hull class, Michelle. This is for using super neat writing in English. Well done. Now in Nottingham class, we have Jacob B. Jacob receives this award today for fantastic reading and writing around the story, "We're Going on a Bear Hunt." Julia also receives this award this week for lovely descriptive sentences about the bear. In Liverpool, we have Jake K. This is for super reading of 3-lettered words. And we have Jack as well from Liverpool for being a superstar to start of the year. Very positive attitude towards his learning and hard working. Well done, Jack. Now in Cardiff class, we have Archie. Archie receives this for contributing to class discussion and in English and in maths. And we also have Avie May. Avie May receives this for a great attitude this week towards her work. Well done. In Edinburgh 1, we have Scarlett and Daniels for the same thing, for always working hard and participating in lessons well. In Edinburgh 2, we have Tex for settling into year 4, and he is returned with a positive attitude. Noah also receives an award for Edinburgh 2 for the excellent role model to his peers and always making good choices. In Cambridge class, we have Molly for making sure the class and our areas are tidy. Patrick receives one for being a kind friend to others in the class. In Oxford, we have Corey for his impressive work in his new English book. And we have Billy for doing really well when exchanging for subtraction. In Chester class, we have Zach for making an excellent start with home learning this week. And in Lincoln class, we have Benji for his brilliant start at Newlands Primary School. What a fantastic group of children we have that received our Going for Gold awards. I'm so proud of all of you, and you all need to give them a huge round of applause. Well done. Now, we're going to have Year of Being Brave awards. First, we'll start with Leeds class. The first one goes to Holly for settling into nursery well and not crying anymore when Mom leaves. In York, we have SJ for being really independent with his self-help needs. In Hull class, we have Isaac for coming into his new class this week. Well done for settling in so quickly. We also have Zainab. Zainab received this for calmly waiting for Mommy on Wednesday. In Nottingham class, we have Lacey. This is for her battling on through this week, even though she has a poorly arm. The next one in Nottingham is Katie. Katie receives this for being brave and having a go at sounding out unfamiliar words. In Liverpool, we have Joshua T. for being brave when upset, and he dealt with it calmly. In Cardiff class, we have Charlie for being brave by joining in and sharing super ideas. Kyle also receives an award in Cardiff class for trying hard in English classes. In Edinburgh 1, we have Madison for caring about adults and checking that they are okay. We also have Fraser. Fraser receives this for making good choices and showing his growing maturity. In Edinburgh 2, we have Stuart for his intellectual bravery during maths and not giving up when things got a bit tricky. The next one goes to Amelia. This is because she's always displaying moral bravery. She respects others and takes care of everything she does. Cambridge is Emily for persevering with work when it gets challenging. The next one goes to all of Year 5, all of Cambridge class, for adjusting well to the changes around school. Next we have Oxford class, and this first one goes to Riley for not giving up in his maths even when he found it difficult. And the next one is Jessica for being brave in PE. In Chester class, we have Alex for trying some new things with his home learning this week. And in Lincoln class, we have Reuben. He made a great start to Newlands Primary School and his behavior in the taxi and in the school. Well done to all of these children for showing the bravery in lots of different ways. A lot of things have been about the challenges they faced and about not giving up even when things were a little bit difficult. I'm really proud of all of you, and you too need to have a big round of applause. Well, another fantastic week at Newlands Primary School, and as always, I am proud of the school community that we are all a part of. You are an amazing group of people, and I am so pleased that each day I get to come here and be with you. Have a good weekend. Bye.